Hello, everyone, and welcome to my dating application. I am Ichthyophthirius multifiliis. I'm an ectoparasite that infects freshwater fish. I'm a member of the domain Eukarya, and I'm also in an SAR supergroup, more precisely, the alveolate group. I originate from the clade Colpodia, which descends from alveolates. There are many cool aspects that I can't wait for you to hear about me, such as my habitat, my location, some of my hobbies, some interesting facts about me, and also reproduction. I'm sure you'll find some of those things charming. So here's some interesting facts about me. I'm a very round protist, and something that differentiates me from other protists is my horseshoe-shaped nucleus, as you can see in the image B. I'm sure you haven't met other protists that look like that. I'm just saying it makes me very unique. I'm not sure if size matters to you, but I'll still tell you about mine. I am roughly 10 nanometers wide and 30 to 40 nanometers long. Not only this, but my body can actually stretch very far. I'm very flexible, if that means anything to you. I absolutely love to consume fish and gills. It's quite literally all that I consume. I am in love with this diet so much that that's the reason why I can't live without a host fish. And yes, by the way, fish can indeed host. I don't like being alone. In fact, if I can't find the host within 48 hours, I'll perish. With you by my side, however, I'm sure I'll be just fine. And as you can probably tell by now, I'm not the best of organisms. I tend to invade a location very fast and I tend to spread like crazy. Many people don't like me because of how rapidly I spread. I can promise you, however, though, that no matter how many times I spread, how many hosts I get to, I'll always be loyal to you, no matter what. And now on to location and habitat. I've always loved the freshwaters. In fact, thanks to my ancestors from Asia, I've been able to spread throughout the entirety of the globe. Wherever there's freshwater present, you'll find me most likely. If you pick me as your lover, I can promise you that I'll take you to wherever you want to go, as so long as it's a freshwater habitat with fish that we can host, or use as hosts in this case. I love living in temperatures such as 25 degrees Celsius. I love to keep warm at all times, and I tend to prosper throughout those temperatures. And finally, reproduction, something I'm sure you've been waiting to hear about. If you want an organism with a lot of offspring, you've come to the right place. And not only that, you don't have to put in any effort. I reproduce asexually at temperatures such as 24 to 26 degrees Celsius. If I do reproduce at these temperatures, then my reproduction cycle takes approximately 4 days, which is very, very rapid. However, if I reproduce at temperatures such as 7 degrees Celsius, it can take me 35 to 40 days to complete this cycle. As an adult parasite, I suck the nutrients out of fish. You can call me a trophant. I invade the skin of the fish until I become a tomont, where I then fall off the fish and release daughter termites. These offspring form within my newly formed cystic bodies that I leave on the fish, and they all need to find a host within 48 hours in order to complete the cycle, such as I mentioned before. And finally, I wanted to thank you all for watching this video, and I hope that you learned a lot about me as a protist. I hope that you find it in your heart to give me a chance. I am quite literally a sucker for love. Thank you.